Now onto the rooms. So here's the guest room, or what they consider to be the guest room. Use it as an office as well. It's a nice natural light in here. And the master. Some really nice built-ins. Great for storage. View out to the back patio.